In the dark chasms of space, the Great Galactic Ghoul lurks, an enigmatic force that seemingly devours spacecraft. This mythical creature, a term coined by scientists with a sense of humor, represents the high failure rate of missions to Mars. It's not an actual monster, but it might as well be, given the number of missions it's blamed for sabotaging throughout the years. Born from the jargon of space engineers and astronomers, the Great Galactic Ghoul symbolizes the unknown variables that cause interplanetary missions to go awry. This space myth has its roots in cold, hard statistics. Roughly 2/3 of the missions sent to explore the Red Planet have ended in failure. The Ghoul's legend started as a lighthearted way to explain the frustrating tendency for Mars missions to end in silence or disaster. Despite our leaps in technology, the Great Galactic Ghoul continues to confound scientists, racking up an infamous scorecard against Earth's best efforts. So what makes Mars, the fourth rock from the sun, a graveyard for so many ambitious spacecraft? Let's delve into a few tales of its victims that fed the legend. The Mariner 4, back in 1964, successfully navigated the Ghoul, sending back the first images of Mars's surface. But many others, like the Soviet Union's Mars 2 and 3, Europe's Beagle 2, and the United States Mars Polar Lander, were not as fortunate. These ill-fated missions either crashed into the Martian surface, ceased communications, or disappeared entirely, adding layers to the Ghoul cryptic tale. Understanding these failures is a lesson in both humility and engineering. The intricacies of launching a spacecraft, guiding it across millions of miles of void, and then landing on an alien world are enormous. The Great Galactic Ghoul feeds on errors in calculation, unforeseen cosmic events, and the simple fact that space exploration is an endeavor fraught with peril at every stage. For instance, take the Mars Climate Orbiter, which in 1999 fell victim to the Ghoul due to a simple human error, a mismatch in measurement units between different teams. This led to the spacecraft burning in the Martian atmosphere instead of orbiting the planet. Then there was Japan's Nozomi orbiter, which faced electrical failures and never achieved Martian orbit. It's not just Mars. The Ghoul's influence extends to the perils of deep space missions in general. The challenge begins with escaping Earth's gravity well, which requires immense power and precision. Any miscalculation can see a spacecraft spiraling back to Earth or flung into the abyss. Next comes the cosmic ballet of navigating across the solar system, a dynamic dance with planets, asteroids, and the ever-present solar wind. Even if a probe reaches its destination, the final hurdle of landing or entering orbit is a battle with local conditions that can't be fully simulated back home. But it's not all about the failures. The legend of the Great Galactic Ghoul is also a testament to human perseverance and ingenuity. Each mishap is dissected, each error analyzed to the atomic level to ensure that the next mission has a better chance of success. Take the Mars Rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, and the later Curiosity and Perseverance, which have all successfully navigated the complexities of Mars exploration. They have turned the Ghoul's tale from one of fear to one of fascination, serving as trailblazers in humanity's quest to conquer space. The Galactic Ghoul thus serves as a reminder that space is the final frontier, untamed and unforgiving. It demands respect and the highest level of meticulous planning and control. Each mission we embark on is a defiance of the Ghoul, a challenge to the unknowns that await in the quiet darkness between the stars. As we prepare to send humans to Mars, the lessons learned from the Ghoul's past victims will be crucial. Understanding the environment of Mars, its atmosphere, its weather, its gravitational quirks, all of these factors will be vital in ensuring safe passage and return for our astronauts. Mars is not just a physical destination, but a mental and technological puzzle that we are determined to solve. The Great Galactic Ghoul, while a creation of levity among the space community, has come to symbolize the unpredictable nature of space travel. It's a modern legend, one built on the backs of high-tech probes and the dreams of scientists and explorers. It is a reminder that no matter how far we have come, the cosmos still holds mysteries we are yet to unravel and dangers we are yet to foresee. In closing, the Great Galactic Ghoul is not just a figure of speech. It encapsulates our cosmic trials, tribulations, and the determination to master interplanetary travel. Every solved mystery, every successful landing chips away at the ghoul's mystique, bringing us one step closer to becoming a multi-planetary species. In the end, the Great Galactic Ghoul may just be an allegory for the greatest mystery of all, the vast, unconquered expanse of space itself.